Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to another video. It's a boy Nick Asa. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe to the channel and let's make one amazing family. In today's video, I want to share with you how some of my subscribers can trust us with their resources without even thinking that we may disappoint them. Stay tuned. So before we dive into what I have for today, I want to take this opportunity to encourage you to try to be a good person. Okay, try to be good, do things out of your heart, try to do things voluntarily. Even if men do not reward you, you should know that your reward is with God. So whatever you're doing with people, do it from your heart, do it with all your heart, and God will bless you. So on the 15th of March 2024, which is last year, one of my subscribers contacted me all the way from Burkina Faso, and we started a conversation on WhatsApp. I actually don't want to mention his name. He developed interest in setting up a sachet water factory through watching my videos, and we started a conversation along the line. Here you can see we had series of conversation about all the things that he needed to understand, about all the requirements, about everything when it comes to sachet water factory. We kept in touch, having a number of conversations, discussing about how we will be able to ship these machines to his location without restrictions, without difficulties. And in fact, we have a number of conversations. We kept in touch. He was calling, he was chatting for understanding and insight. We were always available and availed ourselves to him. Along the line, he sent a messenger to Ghana to actually see whether this is actually real or we have something of that sort. So I was also actually happy to meet the messenger. Precisely, that's his son. He came to Ghana to see if all this is real, and then he actually wanted to explore the factory. So we all visited the factory. He asked questions, we provided all the answers, and he actually got all the understanding, and he got back to Burkina Faso. He actually enjoyed Ghana. That's his first time coming to Ghana. He actually loved Ghana for his first time, and he went back to Burkina Faso. So after Van and I have provided all the necessary information needed by him, he now got settled and wanted to make payment for the machines. So during that stage, we were facing challenges on how to transfer the money to us. We finally found the way. So you can see this is a receipt of when we were trying and it wasn't working out. We were actually trying Bank of Africa and it wasn't working out. So finally we found a way to do that, and then the son came to Ghana once again. This time around, I did all the rounds with him. So I will let you enjoy some of the videos when he was here. We actually went everywhere, did every rounds concerning shipping the machines to Burkina Faso, everything I did with him. So I'm going to be allowing you to watch some of the videos.
So here we have alighted from Trotro. We actually bought a Trotro because where we were coming from was very far. So we have alighted at Papaya Spinters. We are heading towards the factory. Richard is actually happy that he is here. He has returned for his machines. Yeah, and he was very glad. I was also happy to have met him. And that is a factory, a very big compound of the factory over there. We are meeting Van. Finally, we've met Van. He's also happy that we have come finally. Yeah. So here we are done making payments, and the loading boys have also started loading the machines into a truck. We are actually going to send them to the Burkina Faso cargo station to be shipped to Burkina Faso. So as you can see, the Koyo machine is always in the wooden box. It has to be lifted with the machine into a car. With human effort, we are going to struggle a lot because the machine is heavy. So as you can see, we are actually loading everything and then we will move. Here you can see everything is well loaded. We are making sure that everything is intact, that nothing is left behind. So wherever you are, if you need these machines, if you contact us, we will help you get them safely. Remember, always Van Water Company has got you covered. Okay, so here we are tying all the boxes and the coil machines. Okay, making sure that nothing is crushed, nothing is broken, nothing is left behind, and we are about to kick off to the cargo station. So the factory, we came to Global Poly to make arrangement for the row and the block, and we are actually waiting for the manager because he was busy. Yeah. So after a long day rounds, we were hungry, so we decided to find a place to eat. So I brought Richard to this place, and we really enjoyed ourselves. So here all the machines and its accessories have arrived safely in Burkina Faso to my clients, to my subscribers location in Copela to be precise. So we are also yet to make arrangements to also sail to Burkina Faso and carry out the installation and the training processes. So we were all glad that things went on well, nothing negatively happened. We give glory to God. We are all happy.
So yes, this is what happened when the son came to Ghana. I did everything with him, including purchasing the machines, shipping them to Burkina Faso. I did everything with him. He is aware of everything that we did, every round that we did, visiting the rubber production company for his rolls, for his block. So this is a picture of the block. Those of you who don't know what a block is, this is like a plastic containing your design, and your colors will be used to create your roll for you. So there's a picture. Those of you who don't know what a block is, this is a sample of a block actually for my subscriber. So we are done with everything. We are yet to discuss, and out of his consent we will place an order for the rolls, and we are also yet to discuss our going to Burkina Faso to install the machines for him and train some of the people who are going to work in the factory. In fact, this particular person was actually updating me along the way when he was constructing his factory. He has a very nice factory. I wish to show you pictures, but I don't have his consent so that I can do that. So I'm going to be updating you on our trip to Burkina Faso to install the machines and to train workers. So stay tuned to this channel. Wherever you are, if you need these machines, we can help you purchase them. Van Water Production Company has got you covered. We will do this for you without you thinking negatively that your money will be a waste. This person has demonstrated a trust in us, and I really respect and I really appreciate that. For someone to entrust onto you such a huge amount without he thinking twice, I respect him so much. And we have also demonstrated to him that we are at his service. So like I said in the beginning, try to be a good person in all things, in whatever you're doing, and God will bless you. So stay tuned to this channel. We're going to be updating you on more videos to come.